In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Facebook ad in just about 5 minutes. So let's dive right in. Advertising on Facebook can seem like a challenge, especially with all the options and features available. However, with this guide, you'll find it straightforward and manageable, even if you're new to the world of digital advertising. First things first, head over to Facebook Business Manager. This is your command center for all things advertising on Facebook, offering you a comprehensive view of your ad performance and access to various ad management tools. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to log in with your Facebook credentials. It's a simple step. Just click on Login with Facebook, choose your account and proceed. This links your advertising efforts directly to your Facebook profile, ensuring a seamless transition between your personal and business activities on the platform. After logging in, navigate towards the lower left panel of your screen and click on Ads. This button will direct you to the Ads Manager, the core hub where you can create and manage your Facebook advertising campaigns. Now it's time to get to the real action. In the Ads Manager, locate and click on Campaigns. This section is where you strategize and set the foundations of your advertising efforts on Facebook. Once in the Campaigns section, you'll need to click on Ads. This transition is smooth and logically laid out, designed to guide you through the process without overwhelming you with too many options at once. Ready to create your first ad? Look for and click the Create button. This is where your creativity comes into play as you'll start designing the ad itself. Choosing a campaign objective is your next step. This is crucial because it tells Facebook how to optimize your ad to achieve your desired outcome, be it brand awareness, lead generation, or sales. Take a moment to think about what you want to accomplish with your advertising before making your choice. After selecting your objective, click on Continue. This moves you forward in the ad creation process, where you'll specify the details of your campaign, such as targeting and budget. Now you'll be prompted to click on Manual Engagement Campaign. This option gives you more control over your ad engagement, allowing you to tailor your campaign more closely to your marketing goals. With that done, click Continue again. You're making great progress, and now it's time for a critical part of the process: naming your campaign. Give your campaign a name that is both meaningful and easily recognizable. This will help you track its performance and make adjustments as needed. Click on Next and proceed with setting up your audience. This step is where you define who sees your ad. Facebook offers robust targeting options, from basic demographics to detailed interests and behaviors, allowing you to pinpoint your ideal audience. And there you have it. Once you've set your audience, you'll review your ad setup to ensure everything is in order, make any necessary adjustments, and then finalize your campaign. Congratulations, you've navigated through the steps of setting up a Facebook ad. Remember, the key is to experiment and learn as you go. Your first campaign is just the beginning. With each ad, you'll gain valuable insights that can help you optimize your future campaigns for even better results. Keep experimenting with different ad formats, creative elements, and targeting options. Facebook's advertising platform is dynamic, offering a range of tools and analytics to help you understand and enhance your ad performance. As always, monitor your ads performance regularly through the Ads Manager. This platform provides comprehensive analytics that can help you understand what's working and what isn't. Use this data to tweak your ads, targeting, and creative elements to improve your results over time. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to setting up your Facebook ad in just 5 minutes. Remember, the digital advertising landscape is always evolving, so stay curious and keep experimenting. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips on how to navigate the digital marketing world. Good luck with your Facebook advertising.